Yeah, stochastic hooks. Oftentimes, guys, you're going to get something like this to play out. Oftentimes, you'll get something like that to play out. Oftentimes. This is where it's going to screw up people in the ES because it's going to go right back up to the range. So your YM people should have gotten your targets off if you did the long signal. ES folks could have been in on the second leg of the W. Pulling out a little double tap here. If you want to be good little trend traders, you might have a first touch rule forming. If you're still, anybody still in from the original short on the ES? Just holding in tightly. Anyone? Nope. I didn't think there would be anybody. Nice little stochastic hook. I got stopped out on this one. Yeah, it's the only one you took. I love it when I look at a trade log ball and somebody's like, I always get stopped out. And then the very next trade is like,
It's the one.
is a runner.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, did you have to leave like 2 minutes after that? No. Well, then why didn't you take the next trade? Because it never works. Well, that one would have. Then you see 27 minutes later that they're chasing every trade on the planet and frustrated.
Right.
Then 27 trades later,
Oof.
you're like, that is over trading. Nice little M on the ES. Honestly, I call this stochastic hook. Means we're not making it complicated today. Good job, Monica. Nice job, Coach Hugo. Who else is doing this? Nice little stochastic hook. We pointed that out about 5 minutes in advance. Stretch, Robert, green jeans. Are you catching some of this on the short side? Good little trade, guys. Good job, Rick. Nice, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. It's very nice. Oh, I put bleep, 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 bleep. Put the resistant pretty tight today because if we get close, those numbers. Oh yeah, trend. We're following the ES on trend right now, guys. Trend's down quickly on the ES. Treat it the same as YM. All the ES trend right now. Trend is down. Markets want to go down. Nice, Coach Hugo. How many people are in the short trade? Easy first touch rule, easy M, easy stochastic hook that your coach called out for you. There should be, let's see, how many people do we have in right now? A little bit over 100 people. So there should be a little bit over 100 people saying, yes, I'm getting a piece of this. Good, guys. Good job. Stops down, worries out. You could easily use maybe Let's see. What do you think, Boss Hog? You catch a piece of this? 875. I like 850 on the ES. 850 on the ES for the stop. Good job. You like that? Okay, good. And YM, you could be flat, look for the next trade, or you could have a stop in at maybe around flat 14 now. Still gonna be flat. So good job. Good little trade, guys. Not expecting huge runners, right? So if you're doing stochastic hooks, you could have taken a long trade and scalped it. Or you could just be patient, wait for the next sell signal. If you're doing all the stochastic hooks today, you have you're long and you have targets off. If you're only doing stochastic hooks with a trend, you're waiting for overbought stochastics. Is that I'm gonna overcomplicate things here in a minute. You know what? This stupid stochastic hook thing isn't working.
Just doesn't work.
It's not working. Let's change something else. It's only worked every time. Yeah, Monica, they're afraid to say stuff.
Yeah, right. There's the same people participate all the time.
Every day is always the same people, which I don't mind. I love the people that participate. Helps me keep from going insane and talking to myself.
That's
You guys
right.
say something. Who's still short? I still think you guys should be short on the YM. Still think you should be short on the YM. Who is doing it? Yes, good job. Still think you should be short on the ES.
Yes, I was gonna say. Don't give up on the ES just yet.
We break down any more, guys. Selling heavy. We're looking at these support levels with their eyeballs peeled here in a minute. Yes, got a little bit of room to run down. I mean, seriously, you could probably get the 4,500 if it breaks S2. So hold on to it if you can.
That's what I've been sitting here thinking. If it breaks 45.05, it's going to go.
Yep.
505. Gotta give you a cheer, Boss Hog. And I can't even get my person to do a trade. Hey. $45.05, huh?
It waits third, fourth bounce. It should go. It's just got to go.
And what would your reasoning be behind that, sir?
Well, it's been in that. That's just look left. You'll find out. The next after that.
Wait, sorry, let me move my mic so you.
4,500.
But why do you have 45? I know why you have. Tell these guys why you have 45.5.
Gosh, the market will repeat itself. Just keep looking back. Put in your zones.
Hmm?
I marked each bucket. 4:30 this morning.
So you're saying that it's as simple as looking to the left.
Exactly. Been support at a spot of support and resistance. So it's got to break sooner or later.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to make this complicated. Stay in that short on the ES. YM, you're getting another chance at it. Like, seriously, guys. I mean, it really doesn't have to be that complicated. Just look back, say, oh, okay, well, this happened. And I think what I have a hard time hearing Wilbur, Boss Hog, confirm this, but I think you're kind of just looking back over here saying if this breaks, we're going to get down to
Yes, sir.
500 even.
Yes, sir. Might have a little slowdown.
Like exactly where we're at.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Exactly where we're at. Well, and you think about it, guys. Look, all you have to do is look back. I love that Coach Wilbur says that. Price indecision. It's. What do you think the odds are? It's acted like this in the past in the same spot. Oh my goodness! Are you serious? It's done that. There's no way the market can do it the same thing over and over again. It's impossible. No way. No, this is impossible. It's impossible. Wait, where are we at? Let's see. I need to go back a little bit. Sorry, guys. Well, maybe we don't have enough data. But oh, look at this.
And now we might get up.
Look at this right here. Same thing in the past. My goodness. No way that can happen again. That's my 0 cents. First touch rule on the YM. You could look at being back in. Yes, it's an uptrend. Guys, we're following the ES right now. If you want to take the long trades on the YM, you're doing it with what? You want to take the long trade? You know what, Boss Hog? I'm going to let you take over the mic. Nobody wants to answer my questions. Well, stocks. What kind of stocks? So just stochastics? What kind of stochastics? I don't understand. Stochastics. Sold stochastics, okay. Is that just the only thing we're going to do with oversold stochastics? Overbought or oversold, okay. That's it. Nothing else.
Yeah, but remember, it can ride down there all day long. And continue to go
What's
down.
that now?
It can continue to ride down there on the over and keep going down.
Yeah, I think there's could have a nice little slow ride down.
Yeah,
Probably see a little bit of push up in a bit. What's that?
I need just have to play slow ride on the way. On the going.
Slow ride. I think we're about ready to see the push up though. Have the push down. Now look for the push up. A nice little buy signal. Get everybody short. But you're not gonna take the long unless you get a nice little hookup in stochastics. Don't want to take these little herky jerky dividends. If you do, probably gonna get beat up. Smooth hook. Even if you did this nice little smooth hook, you could have a profitable trade, guys. Line tick rule or W confirmation. There you go, Farouk. Did anyone do the little W long on the YM? Anybody? Nope. Okay. So everybody's looking for the short signal. I'll stop yelling at people. All can't hear me. I don't know why. For some reason, I can only hear like 2 or 3 words when you're talking, and my mic also.
Me or Paul?
Yeah, are you talking to me or are you talking to Wilbur?
Right. No, when Wilbur's talking, I can only hear like 2 or 3 words.
Oh,
Little cell signal starting to form, guys. Go ahead. Cell signal starting to form, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Wilbur, say something so I can see if I can hear you.
I said yes, sir. I don't know. Let me check my mic, see what's going on.
That was better.
Might just go. I don't know.
I think it's when you have your face turned away from it or something.
It's always turned to my face. I got a headset on.
Then stop stuttering, Junior.
stop.
Junior. Every time I hear that, reminds me of Smokey and the Bandit. Talking about,
Eastbound
slap your
down.
mama. That's it. He said, he looked at
I'll
him,
slap
Junior, you
your
so
mama.
crazy. Hold my hat, boy.
Oh, that was a funny movie. You seemed a lot taller on the radio. Targets off on the short side on the ES, definitely. If you weren't in the ES and you followed my instructions, got in short, then get those targets off. If you're waiting on the YM, sorry, I don't know what to tell you. Keep waiting or follow my instructions. Targets off on the YM now. Trying to give you guys as much action as you can get in this slow market. Giving you, like, literally, I said, good. I did say short signal, right, guys?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I want to make sure that I told everybody they could go short. Be right back. Guess what you should be, guys? Guess what position you should be in? I don't know. If you're not short, you're doing it wrong. There we go. All right. I will be right back.
That's the reason. It's good to be back for a little while in the day. Does Mike sound better than it did a minute ago?
Yeah, it sounds pretty clear to me.
Okay, yeah, I had on the wrong thing. I hope everybody's out of there short. Not, I'll be flat in a minute. Thank you.
And you guys are awful quiet. I'm gone. Is that the deal?
Yeah, it ran up to take everybody's stops out and it came back down. That's what I'm doing.
Oh yeah, I know.
It's just in a range right now.
Yeah.
It's mine that's screwed up. I can only hear the.
Is it your
I
headphones?
switch mine,
Maybe.
so
It's got to be me. I can hear it sometimes, but then other times when you start talking, it's like every other word. But I think we're
everybody
fine.
else is.
What's that?
I asked, could everybody else hear me?
Yeah, I hear you clear.
So I found a fault in my headset. Found a fault.
I like the noise cancellation your headset has. There's no background noise.
None. Especially with the dogs running around and crap.
It's the thing with these Yetis, they pick everything up.
Everything. It's gonna be a nice little counter trend long signal here in a minute, guys. If you're big green already, I could start taking a look at that. What do you guys think? Think there's gonna be a decent little counter trend long signal here?
This wants to pull up a little bit, yeah.
It's gotta get out of this zone it's in.
All right.
We got to push down.
Well,
Well, we got to push down, so you'd expect a little bit of push up, right?
Yeah.
Bottom of support. I mean, you look at the YM. Bouncing off support, kind of bouncing off support all across the board, right? So if it breaks that, then you definitely think, yeah, we want to go down a little bit. If not, you're probably looking for a counter trend long signal. Yes. Getting close to some support. There's this little indecision area here. So that probably could be treated like support, I would imagine. Let's see what we got on the hourly. Oh, we could find something back there. So that probably will act like a little bit of support there. So yeah, guys, probably a little bit of a counter trend long, or I think both Paul and Boss Hog were saying it. Look for maybe your next smooth stochastic hook down. What do you guys think?
All
Boss Hog.
9 is looking. It just wants to hang around that area.
Man, this is so exciting this morning.
It's fun.
You gotta take what the market gives you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't have today is the perfect reason why you can't be attached to a monetary goal.
There's you.
Say that again.
I was talking to myself. I was waiting for that to break right up there and drop down. I don't know if anybody took that, but on the ES it is.
Hook down is
The hook is
we'll hook down on the ES. Yep.
Oh,
Nice
yeah.
You were
little
talking.
net.
You were talking about it, so I got in on it.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Good job. That's exactly what we were talking about, guys. Didn't quite get it. There's no reason to be out of the YM short unless this was a stop that took you out, then could have gotten right back in. Stops down on the YM. Anybody short on the YM? Or are you being patient? Anybody short on the YM? I got one person. Nope, you're short on the ES. Being patient. All right, got one person short on the YM.
Good job, Damien.
Where in the world is my stop at? Could easily be. You know what? Tighten it up a little bit. Here you go. 8, 6, 6 for now. 575.
5, yeah, 6.
There
575.
you go. Either one.
Just above that,
Yeah.
right there. Yeah.
I think you should have 500 in your sights, so Damien. So
Yep.
this is one of those ones. This is a tough one for me because I'm always like
And it could
torn
bounce.
between. Right.
Bounce. It's going to do that bouncy up and down thing for a while before it breaks.
So you might want to be a little bit looser. That's the thing I don't, where
Or be
sometimes
tight
I
and
don't
get
like
back
how.
in, right? That's what I've been doing all
Right.
morning.
Yeah, have a tight stop and get back in.
Kind of scalping it.
Or use that area. I think I agree with Paul on somewhere between 5.75 and 6.
Yeah.
YM. Nobody else is short on YM. I just got the one person. Let's see. YM. Stop down. I still like kind of using this mid Bollinger right now. For probably 7. Let's use 7.89. Whatever it is. 7.8. Yeah, you can go down on the ES.
We're headed down there at 4,500 right now.
Just
Hang
trying
on
to
a
get
second.
down there.
You're gonna have a little bit further on the ES. Say that again, Wilbur.
We're headed down to our 4,500 now. Yes.
Where's your stop, Damien? Ah, okay. So that got you. Good. That was that. Yeah, that's what I meant by it's going to bounce up and down. So you'll get another chance here. Yeah, it was a good trade.
Yeah, I
That's
tell you
I've been
what,
doing. That's what I've been doing all morning.
you two
What's that?
are you and Boss Hog are doing such a good job. I'm just gonna go back to bed and take a nap.
Well, that's not a whole lot to say or do right now, but just sit here and watch.
No, it's
Again,
real
if you-
loud, isn't it? So
If you want to take these rangy
Is that Wilbur?
bounces,
Oh, why I can't hear Wilbur? This is frustrating to me. I'm gonna change my headset.
you can do that win today, but you got to be quick. I mean, you're in that range, so
All right, Boss Hog, say something now.
what do you want to hear? What would you like to know today?
What I like to know. Okay, it's just a little jumbled for some reason, but I can hear you better now.
yeah, I don't think it's his mic though, because he doesn't sound that on my end. I don't think.
Unless everybody else here is Boss Hog Pod, right? I'm the one having the issue.
And that was valid win today. I mean, that was the way it's been playing out today. You could easily took that and got your targets off.
Yeah. Smooth stochastic hooks.
Yeah, that was. I was just saying, you got to get up around the top of this range and be concerned about it going much further. Okay, well, Rick says he can't hear him either, so.
It's not just me.
I'm trying to find my other headset. I will get back with you.
Well, I'll buy you a headset. I'll send it to you, Boss Hog.
Can't buy them headset. They're out of stock. I've been
Oh,
looking.
yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah, that's right.
There we go. Well, so you can hear that feedback on his mic. Is mine like that? Am I loud?
Huh? No?
Because I know
We're not
these
discouraging
Yetis-
from getting off the mic, Boss Hog. You can get back on.
Okay,
Makes my
cool.
job easier.
Appreciate that, guys. I think he's just changing out headphones.
Yep.
Exciting.
Oh, man, it's so exciting.
Let's see how we can handle.
Did anybody do the
this.
hookup? Anybody do the hookup on the long side? Is everybody waiting for the next short signal?
Win the day called it.
Please don't. Called
So,
the long trade?
yeah, he said W Foreman on the. He called it.
I think I also said it's about time for the market to rally up some. I want the credit, not win the day. I'm just kidding.
I think he beat you by a little bit.
Did he?
Well, you called it from the beginning, but he did call this specific one.
Okay, fair enough.
Give the man some credit.
Take your. Well, right now you guys want to be long. If you're waiting for the next short, that train has left the station. You should be long.
Yep, 10:30.
You should
Coming up.
be long.
10:30 to Yuma.
And then I know. Thank you, buddy. And then we shall look for a short signal. 9 minutes. Yeah, I think that's so funny. I was going to say in about 7 minutes we should be seeing something that's actionable.
Yeah. Let's see what it does up here.
Ain't dry in action today. So don't forget, everyone. Tomorrow is the W&M class that I will be hosting. I forgot that it's the day after the holiday, and we want to give you guys a day to get acclimated to things before we have a intense class. Plus, there's some other reasons for that. Well, that's true. Boot camp spots are filling up fast, guys. I don't know if you got the email. That is very true. Boot camp spots are filling up fast. We're like literally 10 people. We're not doing more than that. So if you want to be there, you knew that was the reason why, Paul.
Yes.
You knew it. So if you want to be there, you can be square while you're there, but you can't be square if you're not there.
What the heck was that? Wow. Oh.
All right. If you guys follow my instructions, target off on the long side. If you're waiting for the short signal, sit on your hands. Did anybody follow my instructions on the long side? Grab a little bit of the long signal. This is a two-way trading day, guys. We're not going away from the two-way trading. Hello, anybody catching some on the long side?
Oh.
Just gonna kill the mic. No, nobody. Nobody listens to me.
Here's your
Boss Hog, Paul, you guys got it. They don't listen.
What? Everybody listens to you, bro.
Yeah, that
Is
sounds
this
better.
okay?
Yeah, that
Good.
sounds good. That must be your headset.
That
No,
is
it's just my head.
It's just your head.
It's just your
You
head.
you got that metal cage in there. It could be
Head,
running
that's it.
interference on.
It's all them voices in my head.
What is it made out of? Like titanium? Was it
Yeah.
like gotta be titanium. Might be getting a cell signal now, guys. A little swing, a little prior swing. You look 16 tick rule or 9 tick rule at this point. Those of you that were patiently waiting for short signals. Targets off. At least on the ES. Should have those targets off.
Beautiful.
No lose.
Who got that? Who got that ES?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Patience.
me too. I was just waiting.
Came around it. Isn't it funny how these prior swings constantly work? Some newbie was trying to get short here. Some newbie was trying to get short here. They were trying to get short here. And I'm sitting here saying, stay long for a minute, stay long for a minute. All right, we got the prior swing. Now you can look for this sell signal. It's amazing how that works, right?
It's magic. Sorcery.
Stop to a no lose on the YM. Yeah, Green Jeans catch them. Okay, win the day, guys. I don't know what to tell you this morning, but if you're red this morning, help me understand how.
Or better yet, book a call. Let's talk.
If you're red this morning, you way overtraded, and we're going to schedule you a session with Dr. Phil and a psychiatrist, and then Coach Paul.
Yes.
I thought Coach Paul is a psychiatrist.
I pretty much feel like it a lot of times. Especially in the other one, the other business.
Brandon mistake. Hang on those shorts, ladies and gentlemen. Hang on those shorts. ES, how many people are on ES? We got 2 ESers, right? Yeah, so stop would be
Parabolic, mid Bollinger, maybe.
I like both, honestly.
Yeah, parabolic, mid Bollinger.
I mean, it's just gonna go right back down to the range here.
Gonna go right back down to S2.
Yep.
Matt, you're in this
So,
one.
at least 10. Put it 1075. Leave there for a minute. YM people, you still got to be a no lose on your stop. Dr. Phil. Who else is getting a piece? Anybody in the YM short? You got your targets off. You just got to, okay, good job. YM too. Targets off. There's not much you can do. Put your stop in a no lose on the YM. Maybe you eke it down a tick or two.
Same with the ES.
Yeah. Stops in, eke it down a tick or two.
Yeah. I can see this first touch will fail here.
Would be convenient. That would be convenient. You got it this time, Wilbur. 500 even. Call it.
That's what I'm looking for. If it'll ever push that far.
I think you got it this time. I think this is going to get it.
It's gonna get there.
It's going to hit my 498 number on the dot.
You always got to go 2 below me. I knew you would. Wait a minute. We went through this last week or week before, didn't we?
We're always like 2 points off. 2 points off. All right. What do I like 98?
Yeah, just drop your number by 2.
Why is it that I like 98? There's a reason I like 98. I don't think you have enough data loaded.
I don't either, but I have a line there. So that must mean that something happened in the past for me.
I don't know. When you scroll that mouse, it sounds like a hog grunting.
Sounds like a hog grunt.
It does. That's you tell I was raised on
That's
the farm.
funny.
It's the All South show today. Country show.
If you don't like country boys, get out. Get out of this club.
Country boys on the mic.
Oh, this is why I like 98.
That's like
Yeah,
a comedian.
98's,
That's like a comedian said the other night. Said, "Don't nobody want to come over here and invade us." So we got too many rednecks with guns over here.
That's right.
Way too many.
I agree with him 100%.
What redneck do you know that has one gun?
Well, apparently
We
one
don't
doesn't
consider
have
that person
one that doesn't have a
redneck.
job.
Truckin', what's up, buddy?
Truck
This is
in.
gonna be the Redneck Trading Channel. We're gonna
There we go.
advertise it.
There you go.
Redneck Trading Club, the RTC.
That's what I was gonna say, Robert. If you only have one, you're not a redneck. If you only have one gun, that doesn't qualify you.
That's why I said, what redneck do you know only has one gun? It's like,
True. Use the parabolic on the wire.
Like that fella said, that fella asked his little boy, said, if are you reading something in some kind of test in a book, had some homework to do. Said if Mike had $1, a $1 bill, and had a quarter, and then he had 2 pennies, said, what does Mike have? He said Mike's broke.
$1.27. Look at what can $1.27 buy these days?
He can't even pay tax on $1.
$1.27, you can't pay tax on $1. I don't like that. You guys are all still short, right? That's funny.
I think everybody left the market. Wow. This is like yesterday.
So slow.
yeah,
That's why I don't trade on holidays,
I
bro.
didn't even look at the market yesterday.
They did say today would carry over. Oh, yesterday would carry over today, and I believe it.
We kind of thought that too, right? I mean, last week we said that this week would be about the last slow week of the year. You know what? Just use 800 now on the YM.
Parabolic.
Yes, now you can lock in some more
Par-
ticks.
Yeah.
What do you guys? You guys like
Parabolic. The parabolic. I like once it breaks it and comes back down.
I like sitting above that wick right there.
Good
Parabolics
job.
probably get
Well, parabolic's a little lower.
Good job, Hugo.
yeah.
Coach Hugo. Excuse me.
Nicely done.
Yes, sir.
Matt, where's your stop at, Matt?
You're either going to be, guys, you're either going to be 875 parabolic, looking back and saying, it's getting pretty close to the lower part of the past swing. I'm going to be a little bit tighter. There's only 3 options you got, guys. Go ahead, Paul.
No, I was asking Matt where his stop's at. Don't get too tight. 75. Okay, that's
Oh, Wilbur, I sent that joke to like 6 different people.
Which one is that?
The little person joke.
Oh,
The one we don't tell here.
The one we can't tell.
All right, man. Lower the stop a couple ticks now.
Oh, we're still magic. Stops. I was looking for jokes. So guys, for real though, stay short. Why would don't be flat? Stay short.
Oh, let's say who's flat.
If it breaks low, guys, you target. All right. Good job. If it breaks lower, you're going to want to be in it.
what do you mean hit your target? You don't have targets.
You could probably use like 475 now, maybe on the ES.
Yeah, I like
500's
that
coming.
because you're at this level here. You're at this
A little
support
tight
level.
there. Yeah,
Maybe
it's a
the
little
89,
tight, but
89 maybe.
you could use that. I just here's it, you get to the point where you get right down to that little like support, and you just make a decision. Do you want to try back in the trade or leave blue stop to stay in? That to me is a fielder's choice. You make the decision. Here's what I like to do. If 7 has enough ticks locked in for you to be happy, use that. I mean, but the odds are you're gonna see another swing. Gonna hook up in stochastics. You're gonna get another little chance to be in it. Odds are. Good job. Stretch.
The counter trend.
Two-way trading day.
Be quick with them targets though.
Somebody at the door. Hold on.
Is it coffee break time yet?
Be quick. Yeah. Be quick with the targets. If you're doing the counter trend longs, be quick with the targets. All right. So really lightning fast. Obviously, you guys are looking at being short on the YM. Is it the YM short, or you're bringing your stop down to a place that gets you locked into the amount of profits that you want?
Yeah, stretch that.
I mean, I wouldn't.
I don't know that I get out. I was just saying, I don't know that I would close out. I would just trail it tight because this could bounce back up.
I mean, seriously, you guys don't really need me today. You're doing fantastic. That's exactly. That's literally exactly what was said. I feel like nobody's listening to me anyway right now. It's just you.
I don't think anybody's listening to
Boss hog.
anybody. Just think
You and
everybody-
Boss Hog are talking, and I'm like, I'm just confirming. I'm just like, yep, they said the right thing. Yep, they said the right thing.
All right, let's see what happens here at the 89. If it breaks through, it might be going back up to the top.
Oh, I just said it was, didn't I?
But we're also got a hook coming, so
Oh, there's a new fish place called Hookin' Ain't Easy. It really is. That's what it's called. I gotta go try it out.
that's actually a pretty cool name.
Hookin' Ain't Easy. And evidently what they get is fresh whatever comes off the boat that day, and
Oh, that's good.
when they're
So,
done,
they're
they're like,
done.
sorry, no more food for you. They'll shut the place down when they're out of fish. Like, that's a pretty good concept.
Yeah, that's a good concept.
Well, it comes fresh off the boat every day, or at least that's what they tell you.
There's your
Looking
hook and
stochastics.
stochastics. Yeah.
thing. And I don't think there's anybody in the YM short at this point.
Yeah. I think Stretch is playing both
Oops.
sides. He's doing good.
I still have my
Scalping.
I have my both people. I have two people. The person that always private chats me and Green Jeans. So I've got two people in the YM short. Good job, guys.
I'll be right
Oh,
back. I
check
gotta
that.
grab some
3
coffee.
people. 3 people in a YM short. Good job. My private message, folks. Good work. And Green Jeans as per usual. Great job. We really probably are approaching coffee break time. What do you guys think? King David. Good morning. I like that screen name. You mean doctor's quote unquote doctor's appointment, Lulu? All right. Listening on the app, Mr. King David. Glad to have you. Okay. I'm just messing with you. Go on. Get out.